Root mean square deviation. Root mean square deviation, RMSD, also known as root mean square error, RMSE, is a widely used metric for evaluating the accuracy of a regression model. RMSD measures the average magnitude of the errors between predicted values and observed values. It gives a higher weight to larger errors due to the squaring of each difference, making it more sensitive to outliers than other metrics like mean absolute error, MAE. Key characteristics: 1. Penalty for larger errors. RMSD penalizes larger errors more than smaller ones due to the squaring of differences, making it sensitive to outliers. 2. Interpretation. RMSD is expressed in the same units as the original data, making it easier to interpret in practical terms. 3. Scale dependence. Like MAE, RMSD is scale dependent and should be interpreted within the context of the specific dataset and problem. Advantages of RMSD. 1. Sensitive to large errors. RMSD is particularly useful when large errors are undesirable and need to be penalized more heavily. 2. Widely recognized. RMSD is a standard metric for model evaluation and is widely used across various domains, providing a common ground for comparison. 3. Reflects overall fit. RMSD provides a single measure of overall model fit by combining both bias, systematic error, and variance, random error. Disadvantages of RMSD. 1. Sensitivity to outliers. RMSD can be disproportionately affected by a small number of large errors, which may not be representative of overall model performance. 2. Less intuitive interpretation. While RMSD is in the same units as the original data, the squaring of errors can make the metric less intuitive compared to MAE. Applications of RMSD. 1. Forecasting. Used to assess the accuracy of models in time series forecasting, such as predicting weather, economic indicators, or demand. 2. Regression analysis. Applied to evaluate the performance of regression models in predicting continuous outcomes like house prices, patient health metrics, or sales. 3. Model comparison. Useful for comparing different regression models to determine which one provides more accurate predictions, especially when penalizing larger errors is important. Conclusion. Root mean square deviation is a powerful metric for evaluating the accuracy of regression models, particularly when it is important to penalize larger errors more heavily. By providing a measure that reflects both the magnitude and variability of prediction errors, RMSD helps model developers understand and improve the performance of their models. Its sensitivity to outliers and widespread use make it a valuable tool for many practical applications.